Understanding Workshop Handouts, a guide for English language learners. Hello, and welcome to our learning journey. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and use of the term workshop handouts. Whether you're attending a workshop or preparing to host one, understanding this term will definitely enrich your experience. Let's dive in. Before we delve into workshop handouts, let's first understand what a workshop is. A workshop is an interactive meeting where a group of people engage in intensive discussion and activity on a particular subject or project. It's a hands-on session where you can learn new skills, concepts, or ideas. Now, let's talk about handouts. In the context of a workshop, handouts are physical or digital materials distributed to participants. These materials usually contain important information, summaries, or exercises related to the workshop's topic. Handouts are valuable resources for participants to refer to both during and after the workshop. Workshop handouts serve several key purposes. 1. Resource for learning. They provide a reference for attendees to follow along with the workshop content. 2. Aid for memory. They help attendees retain information by highlighting key points and providing summaries. 3. Interactive tool. They often contain exercises or spaces for notes, encouraging active participation. 4. Future reference. Attendees can revisit handouts after the workshop to refresh their understanding or implement the skills learned. Effective workshop handouts are 1. Clear and concise. They convey information straightforwardly, without unnecessary complexity. 2. Well organized. They are structured logically, making it easy for attendees to follow along. 3. Visually engaging. They include elements like bullet points, tables, or images to break up text and highlight important information. 4. Relevant. They are closely aligned with the workshop's goals and the presenter's messages. Understanding workshop handouts is crucial for making the most out of any learning workshop. They're not just pieces of paper or digital files. They're comprehensive tools designed to enhance your learning experience. Whether you're a workshop participant or organizer, paying close attention to the handouts can significantly impact your educational journey. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been informative and helpful. Happy learning!